Today we're going to focus on the CRM project and how to make it successful. In recent years, as a result of smartphones and social media and all the proliferation of technology, we're really experiencing that today's business information worker has a new pedigree or a new level of sophistication and demands about what they expect business systems to be doing. As a result, they want to be free, but they want the information that they need. So we're going to explore a little bit about that. One of the main things we often hear too, people say they don't want to be a slave to using the system. Well, what does that mean? Often they're using multiple systems already for doing what they do on a daily basis. What we need to do is focus on how CRM will reduce the amount of systems needed to do their job, that they can get most or if not all the information they need as a result of using CRM, which is a reduction of systems. So how do we get there? Part of it is assembling the right team. When we think about who do we need in a CRM project, we really need to acquire talent within the organization. First and foremost, we like a process person. This person's really automation focused. How do we automate processes? In many cases, processes aren't documented, and we need a person like this to help us identify the steps in this known process that is often not documented. Then we move on to the sales eagle, and everybody wants to be a top performer, so why not get one of the top performers on the project, and let's imitate and emulate that person's behavior as part of the system design. It'll be very easy for people to say, I want to be a top performer too. Then we get to the technology innovator. This is the person that's always got the newest gadget or the newest device, and they're going to help transform how we think about the use of technology in the organization. We need some forward-thinking people in this project to say, we're not going to do it the way we used to. We're going to change as part of this implementation. And then there's the complainer. Every office has a person that is known to be the person who complains about this, that, and the other. When we get to this person, we really want to understand what they think isn't working and make those things part of the CRM system. In many cases, the complainer complains for good reason. And if we can overcome those complaints by building those functions into the system, they're quite likely to become the biggest cheerleader of the project, which will be an eye-opener for the rest of the organization when they hear this person praising the new system, not complaining about it. And lastly, and most importantly, is the voice of the customer. If we don't understand what the customer wants out of us, if we don't know what we need to do better on their behalf, then why do a CRM project? We need to understand the specific things that they want us to do better and ensure that CRM is going to do that for them. So along the way, we need to build a perception about what is this project going to be. And in many times when I talk to folks, they say, well, people don't like change. And my response to that is, but everybody likes new. They like new cars. They like new shoes. They like new houses. Everybody likes new. They always go out and buy the newest phone when it's available. So building the perception that we're going to build the new and improved way of doing business. It's going to be better. It's going to be faster and easier. Those are the keys that we have to make sure that we're enforcing, that this project is going to be transformational. It's going to be innovation into the organization. I always think of the flat screen TV. Many people abandoned and threw away their CRT TVs in favor of a flat screen. Why? Did those TVs not work? No, they worked. But they bought new ones because of the perceived enhancement, the better viewing capabilities, the lower use of energy, or whatever those cases may be. Many people ran out and bought flat screen TVs with the vision of the transformation that would come with that. What is the destination? The first thing we need to do as part of the CRM project is build a well-informed decision-making process. We want to build a process around the science of the different groups, the different users that this will impact, what does their daily workflow look like, and how can CRM accommodate that. We need to take into consideration the behaviors of today's users. They want read, react, and respond, no touch type interfaces that they can get the information they want so they can take action with the customer. And the customer doesn't want to repeat themselves. They expect us to know who they are and about their issues so that we can address them faster, better, and easier. This innovation project has to remove roadblocks and eliminate the speed bumps that exist in our business today. We don't want to emulate our old processes necessarily. We want to make them faster and better and easier the way we do work. So, from an end user standpoint, we really have to address the quality of life issues. And what does that mean? It means if we can automate processes, then that means they have more time selling or more time free. So, there is a quality of life factor there that if work is easier because the tools are functioning better, that really is everybody's favorite radio station, WIIFM, which is what's in it for me. We have to demonstrate the benefits of the new system and show people how it's solving problems, that the things they can't do today turn into can-dos with wow, awesome new features like mobility and voice to text and no touch environments. So the success of the system is built around the function of the end user. All of this comes down to win-win-win behavior. Users get better tools to perform better at their job. The customers get a proactive, reactive, well-informed user that knows how to address their needs and knows how to speak to them so they don't have to repeat the conversation that was held yesterday. All of this builds up to management having accurate and actionable, decisionable data in the system where they can see and quickly make decisions about business. All of this is how you manage the CRM project in a successful way. Thanks for your time and attention today.